हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग फाइन एंड स्टेइंग फिट ड्यूरिंग दिस pandemic. Today, I am going to grab some snacks from the nearest restaurant, which is near to my house. Although home delivery service भी available है, पर I thought to get it picked from there to save time. So now we are going to Janakpuri C5 block. Um Janakpuri is known as one of the oldest and best planned residential complex in West Delhi. It is divided into four major blocks named A, B, C, and D, which are further subdivided into smaller blocks, wherein each block has a well established residential colony and its individual local shopping center as well. Among us, the shopping complexes, C4E Janakpuri is the most popular one and hence the most visited of all times. It also includes other areas that include Harinagar, Uttamnagar, Vikaspuri, and Mahavir Nagar. Janakpuri boasts of an urban and well-educated population with well-laid roads, transportation, and famous private schools. Besides these, it also homes numerous religious temples, gurdwaras, and church that are situated adjacent to each other, a rare sight to see. अभी हम जिस रोड से जा रहे हैं ये डी ब्लॉक जनकपुरी एरिया पड़ता है। अगर हम यहाँ से लेफ्ट लें तो हम सागरपुर की तरफ चले जाएंगे एंड राइट लेंगे, अगर स्ट्रेट जाएं तो मायापुरी की तरफ पहुँच जाएंगे। इसी रोड पे 100 मीटर की दूरी पे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आपको लेफ्ट साइड पे तिहाड़ जेल भी मिलेगा। Tihar jail, which is adjacent to Janakpuri, however, it does not pose as a threat, scare, or reason to worry for the resident of the region, as this prison is known for its super tight security. In fact, this prison also acts as a reform center for the accused, wherein they are taught various skills that helps them in manufacturing retail products for sale. Tihar Jail and Tihar Ashram is prison complex in India and the largest complex of prison in South Asia, which is run by Department of Delhi Prisons and Government of Delhi. The prison contains 9 central prisons and is one of the 2 prison complexes in Delhi along with the district prison at Rohini Prison Complex. It is located in Tihar village near to Janakpuri to the west of New Delhi, India. The surrounding area is called Harinagar, from where we are going right now. If I talk about more about this Tihar jail, the prison is styled as a correctional institution. Its main objective is to convert its inmates into ordinary members of society by providing them with useful skills, education, and respect for the law. It also aims to improve the inmates' self-esteem and fortify their desire to improve. And to engage, reorient, and reform its inmates, Tihar uses music therapy. Yes, you heard it right, music therapy, which involves music training, session, and concerts. The prison has its own radio station, can you believe it, which is run by inmates. There is also a prison industry within the walls, manned wholly by inmates, which bears the brand Tihar. अभी हम जनकपुरी सी ब्लॉक से होते हुए जा रहे हैं। इवन दो अभी भी हमारे राइट साइड की अगर मैं बात करूं तो राइट साइड में तिहाड़ जेल की वॉल चलती है जो काफ़ी बड़ी है और आगे तक जा रही है जनकपुरी एरिया को कवर करते हुए। और इसी रोड से अगर हम अभी सीधे चले जाएं, ऑल्दो अभी हम लेफ़्ट लेने वाले हैं इस रोड से, अगर हम सीधे जाते हैं तो यहाँ आता है भारती कॉलेज, विच इज़ अ गर्ल्स कॉलेज, वेरी पॉपुलर इन दिल्ली। एंड अब हम आ चुके हैं जनकपुरी C5 ब्लॉक में, ऑलमोस्ट वेरी नियर टू द रेस्टोरेंट। अभी हमारे लेफ्ट साइड पे ही रेस्टोरेंट आ जाएगा। चलिए जल्दी से पार्क करते हैं गाड़ी। ऑर्डर मैंने ऑलरेडी प्लेस कर दिया था, तो जस्ट मुझे पिक करना है एंड देन विल गो बैक। दिस इज़ द रेस्टोरेंट। अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने घर की तरफ वापस। And one more thing, that we are now very close to C4E Janakpuri and Janakpuri district center as well. And Janakpuri district center is also very near to this place, almost 1 to 2 kilometers from here. And this Janakpuri district center, which is also known as DC, is one of the most popular commercial complexes in West Delhi. And it homes numerous branded showrooms, multiplexes, eating joints, resto bars, shipping zones, and also the Transport Authority office and court. You will notice large group of youngsters as well as families hanging out in this area during weekends. Janakpuri is also well connected by metro link and homes two metro stations separated by a distance of almost 1 kilometer. Janakpuri West Metro Station is 12 minutes away from the main area of Janakpuri town, while Janakpuri East Metro Station is 13 minutes away. The region also has numerous DDC buses that ply at regular intervals, including cabs, taxi, and also auto rickshaw that operate around this region and are easily available. It is also situated approximately 90 minutes away from the New Delhi railway station and 45 minutes away from the Old Delhi railway station, which are both well connected and reachable via the metro link. अभी हमारे राइट साइड पे सागरपुर की मार्केट है एंड हेयर वी हैव द स्क्विड। इस तरह के आपको स्कूटी एंड बाइक राइडर्स आपको जनरली दिखाई देंगे दिल्ली में, मोस्टली इन नाइट लाइफ एंड इन डे लाइफ एज वेल। They don't bother about their protection of wearing helmets, and even they don't bother about others' protection as well. They just ride like this. अभी हमारे लेफ्ट साइड पे द मैनेजमेंट एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, विच इज़ नोन एज मैरी, is not only one of the centrally located B School of Delhi, but is also a self-financed and self-established institute like its other counterpart institutions. The institute has been ranked as an A+ grade institute successfully for last many years. अभी हम वापस अपने घर की तरफ आ गए हैं। ऑलमोस्ट 500 to 600 मीटर की दूरी पे हैं हम। अगेन ये डी ब्लॉक जनकपुरी एरिया है जिससे हम अभी वापस जा रहे हैं। इसी रोड पे लेफ्ट साइड पे आपको गवर्नमेंट का स्कूल है, जो बाउंड्री आपके लेफ्ट साइड से शुरू हो रही है। आप ये जो बाउंड्री देख रहे हैं लेफ्ट साइड में, ये गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की बाउंड्री है। और यहीं से अगर आप राइट चले जाएं तो राइट में आपको भगत हॉस्पिटल, जो डी ब्लॉक जनकपुरी में पड़ता है, वो भी आपको मिलेगा। आप यहाँ से राइट लें। अभी हम लेने वाले हैं लेफ़्ट। ये हमारे लेफ़्ट साइड पे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, राइट साइड में गुरुद्वारा, मंदिर। अभी बस हम यहाँ से लेंगे यू टर्न एंड वी विल रीच होम। So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you everyone.